wet in spring, very hot and dry during summer. It is the third more precocious year for last century. We had 2003 and 2011, which were more precocious.
On the 20th of August, the harvest of white wine grapes started in the blazing sun. As soon as they are picked, the grapes are cooled down to a temperature of 10-12 degrees by a cooling tunnel in order to maintain the fruit and the flavor at their best. 1 week elapses between the end of white grapes and the beginning of red grapes. To produce the Château Haut-Brion Red Wine 2020, we have favored a soft and respectful extraction.
Pour Haut-Brion, sur le millésime 2020, on a eu besoin de 7 séances de dégustation d'assemblage et d'environ 35 essais d'assemblage pour arriver à constituer avec minutie ce grand vin. Ce que l'on peut dire de ces dégustations 2020, c'est que les grands terroirs sont ressortis. Le Merlot était fabuleux, le Cabernet Sauvignon aussi, mais on a réussi à ce que le Cabernet Franc représente plus de 17% de l'assemblage. Quand on remonte les 20 dernières années, il y a 4 millésimes avec des proportions aussi importantes de Cabernet Franc. On a le 2019, le 2011, le 2010 et le 2004. C'est vous dire le côté un peu exceptionnel de ce millésime. Et c'est une particularité de Haut-Brion cette année. Puissance, complexité, générosité et j'en rajoute un quatrième, raffinement.
The spring of 2020 was warm and humid. The vine started to grow earlier and faster than usual. Then, a hot and dry summer slowed down the growing process and allowed the grapes to ripe gradually. Ideal conditions for making wines with a great richness and an incredible freshness. But apart from its climate, this vintage will be remembered as an extraordinary human adventure. I am proud of my team, of the work they have done and of their solidarity. The context of this vintage is an exception, and such as we can already qualify Château Haut-Brion 2020 as exceptional.